Here's my secret to getting things done at work. Hi, I'm Terry from Simply Earth, and I love teaching you how to turn essential oils into natural products you can use every day in your home. In this video, I'll be teaching you how to make a focus roll-on. So turn off your distractions, because making is healing. Let's make this focus roll-on from Simply Earth. We at Simply Earth are obsessed with making it super easy to create with essential oils and natural ingredients. This recipe comes from Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essentials box, where along with this roll-on recipe, you can make 5 everyday essential themed recipes. When you subscribe to our DIY recipe box, you will get the key ingredients you need to make this recipe and more delivered right to your door. We'll even throw in a big bonus box when you subscribe. You can also find the ingredients you need for this recipe on our website at simplyearth.com. I'm going to be grabbing all the ingredients I need from Simply Earth's DIY Everyday Essentials box. Let's make this together. Here's what you need: 6 drops of Focus Essential Oil, 10 mils of fractionated coconut oil, and a 10 ml glass roll-on bottle. First step, remove the roller ball. Really easy. If you'd like this tool, just go to our website, simplyearth.com. Adding 6 drops of Focus. Fill the rest of the way with fractionated coconut oil. Very important. Put the roller ball back on. Swirl. Don't forget to label. Voila! Let's test it out. Apply to pulse points for feelings of clarity and focus. And who doesn't need that? It smells so good. I love to see your creations on social media. So when you make this recipe, and I know you will, take a picture of your creation and tag from Simply Earth. You will automatically be entered into our #IMadeThisChallenge, and you could win $5. See the details below this video. You do not want to forget to subscribe to this channel for more natural recipes like this one, and give this video a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.